everyone. It's me, Sonia, and I'm back once again to bring you an incredible product that will make your kitchen experience even easier and more enjoyable. I'm thrilled to introduce you to the Aroma Housewares 6-cup rice cooker and food steamer, and trust me, you're going to want to hear all about this one. Now, I know many of you are looking for something that's versatile, and that's exactly what I have here. If you've been following my channel, you know I'm all about multi-channel products, and this one fits that bill perfectly. It's not just a rice cooker, it's also a food steamer, which means you can prepare everything from fluffy rice to steamed vegetables and meats all at the same time. That's what I call efficiency. Let's talk about the features that really make this product shine. First, this rice cooker can handle 2 to 6 cups of cooked rice, which is equivalent to 3 cups of uncooked rice. So whether you're cooking for a quick dinner or preparing for a large family gathering, it has you covered. And, because it's made to cook any variety of rice, from jasmine to brown rice, you're guaranteed to get perfectly cooked grains every time. But here's where it gets even better. This cooker also functions as a food steamer, which means you can steam your vegetables and even meats while your rice is cooking below. Imagine preparing a full meal all in one pot with minimal effort. This is a huge time saver for those busy days when you just don't want to spend hours in the kitchen. And don't worry about your rice going cold after cooking. The Aroma Housewares rice cooker features a one-touch operation with an automatic keep warm function. What does that mean for you? It means you can go about your day, and once the cooking cycle finishes, your rice will stay warm and ready to serve until you're ready to eat. Now, let's talk about how versatile this product really is. It's not just for cooking rice. This cooker is great for making delicious soups, spicy jambalaya, rich chili, and so much more. Imagine how easy it will be to prep everything from stews to casseroles, all with the same appliance. And, here's a fun feature. It includes a full-view tempered glass lid. You can easily keep an eye on your food as it cooks without having to lift the lid and let all that heat escape. It's not only practical, but it also gives you a chance to admire how perfectly your meal is coming together. Plus, the rice cooker comes with everything you need to get started: a steam tray, a rice measuring cup, and a serving spatula. These accessories make it super convenient to measure and serve your food right after it's done cooking. Now, here's the best part. If you're interested in getting this amazing product for yourself, the link is right in the description below. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this. If you liked this video and found the review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post new videos with more awesome products like this one. You don't want to miss a thing. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I always appreciate your support, and I can't wait to share more great reviews and tips with you in the future. Until next time, happy cooking, and take care.